Welcome back, Etsy sellers. Are you ready to crush your Q4 sales this year? If so, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because we are going to go over 10 unique tips that you should be doing over the next 60 days to prep for the biggest sales season on Etsy for the year. And trust me, you're going to want to stay to the end of the video because we saved our 3 best tips for last. You ready? Let's dive in. So tip number 1, first off, is going to be to optimize or re-optimize your current listings. Update your product titles, descriptions, and tags to include relevant keywords that make sense for the time at hand. For example, if you have an item that can be gifted to a father that you created for Father's Day back in June, you should do something along the lines of Dad Christmas, Christmas gift for dad. You can also optimize your listing descriptions to highlight any special features about your particular item that might come up during the Q4 season. Perfect for gifting, for example. Just the thing your sister wants this Christmas. And then the third thing you can do to optimize your listings is make sure the photos are at the highest quality possible and optimized for Q4. A way to do this, depending on what you're selling, is actually turning some of the photos into holiday specific type of photos. So you can use Halloween mock-ups, Christmas mock-ups, or just start utilizing different colors like red and green, orange and black, or icons like Christmas trees or pumpkins across your photos. Tip number 2 is to plan your inventory appropriately. It's time to analyze your sales data from 2023 to be able to properly forecast for 2024. You're going to want to determine exactly what was in demand at this time last year and stock up on those right now. Want to make sure that you have enough supplies ready to go to get you through the peak season. And if you are a print-on-demand seller, being very cognizant and aware of exactly what processing times are required and when the shipping date cutoffs are for the holiday season with your print provider. Speaking of shipping, unique tip number 3 is to update your shipping profiles. During this season and during this quarter, shipping is the most crucial that it is all year. So make sure all of your shipping profiles are updated and have accurate rates and processing times. We also recommend offering faster shipping if possible and even offering free shipping during the holiday season. It's very simple to be able to offer free shipping by simply going into your Etsy settings, go to options, go to shipping, and then select the free shipping guarantee. And if you have the ability to create express shipping listings, those will help you get ahead on Etsy to help any of those last minute holiday shoppers. Tip number 4 is to enhance your customer service. Customer service can make or break your sales all year long, but it's even more crucial in Q4. So get prepped for how you're going to respond to certain issues by potentially creating saved replies in your Etsy app. It also might be a good idea to create a Q4 sale or promotion for returning customers. This is also the time that you want to aim for that star seller badge more than ever. And there's no time like the present to go ahead and secure that right now over the next 60 days so you show up as a star seller during Q4. Then all you have to do is maintain it. Tip number 5 is for marketing. We want you to get on social media, potentially collab with influencers or UGC creators, and use email marketing to your advantage. You want to share behind the scenes content, you want to post to social media regularly, and most importantly, you want to engage with your audience. Make sure they know about any Q4 sales or holiday promotions that you have going on, and get acquainted with them in DM right now so when you're ready to start making those sales come Q4, they are primed and ready to buy. Again, you can also work with influencers or UGC creators to add a lifestyle appeal behind your brand. And a shout out from a popular influencer who has a target audience identical to your target audience could literally change your life in just a matter of minutes. Tip number 6 is to refresh your shop's look. It's time to give your Etsy shop a seasonal makeover. You can update your banner, shop icon, and maybe even your logo logo to reflect the holiday spirit. And please keep in mind that we're not just talking about Christmas. There's also fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Small Business Saturday, and many other things that take place in Q4. So this might mean that it's time to give your shop a makeover a few times during those 3 months. But during the next 60 days, you can be creating all of those things right now, so when the time comes, they're ready to just get live. Tip number 7 is to offer limited time offers. That's repetitive. Create limited time deals. Creating a sense of urgency with limited time deals and exclusive Q4 offers now and letting your audience and your email subscribers know about them could increase your sales during Q4. Flash sales and bundle offers can also drive more sales when the time comes. It can also help out clear old inventory if you are a handmade seller. Number 8 is to prepare for customer reviews. We want to encourage happy customers to leave those positive reviews, especially during the Q4 season. Go ahead right now and create a follow-up thank you message and add it to your saved replies for everyone who purchases during this period. Within that saved reply, make it holiday specific or season specific, and go ahead and give them a gentle reminder to leave a review for the product they purchased to help your small business during the holiday season. Good reviews can instantly and significantly increase your shop's credibility, which could also lead to a star seller badge and more sales for you. Tip number 9 is to research high-performing products and get innovative. This is where you're definitely going to be able to use the EverBee platform to find high, in-demand, and trending products all Q4 long. We want to spend the next 60 days deep diving into your individual market and identifying high-performing products that you can start curating right now and finding those keywords that are also high-performing. We want to start playing the algorithm today, so when October, November, and December come, Etsy already knows who we are, what we're trying to sell, and who we're trying to sell it to. Also, do not be afraid to innovate. If you see something that is performing well on Etsy already and you'd like to get into that space, but you want to add your own twist to it, this is the perfect time to test. Finally, tip number 10 is to launch a strategic marketing campaign. Over the next 60 days, it is your responsibility to create a comprehensive marketing plan that includes social media, advertising, whether you do it on Facebook and Instagram or on Etsy, email marketing, and the special promotions you want to offer. If you guys need any help with email marketing, I'm actually going to go ahead and drop a link below as well as above my head, where we did actually a 4-part series on how to utilize EverBee email to your advantage. During this season, of course, there is a surge of traffic that takes place on Etsy. So the ultimate goal would be to get as much internal traffic as physically possible, which tip number 1 is going to help you do. But as much external traffic that you can control and you can bring into your shop of pre-qualified buyers, people who are ready to make a purchase, is only going to boost that product's listing quality score that much higher, which in turn is also going to boost your shop in full. Well, there you have it, folks. Follow these 10 tips over the next 60 days, and you will be well on your way to a successful and profitable Q4. Don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel, where we go live for you guys every single Thursday with deep dive trainings, and we post a video just like this for our Etsy and e-commerce sellers every Tuesday. If you did in fact like this video, go ahead and drop Q4 in the comments, and we will actually personally notify you once we launch our next Q4 video. That's all the time we have for today. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.